Loud noises waking me up. I own a 3-bedroom house that I share with my adult son and my husband with end-stage dementia. I have motion-activated cameras throughout the interior of the house and outside as well. My husband is almost completely immobile, but I keep all of the cameras going anyway. My son and I both experience thinking one of us is calling each other, knocking on bedroom doors, when we aren't doing it. A lot of weird stuff like that. I keep the outside doors locked and at night I bar them, old habits from a wandering husband. Last night, however, was different. 12:13 a.m. a loud bang woke me up, which is impressive in itself as I was sound